that direction.
Cheerio, 24673.
4 blocks. Past Jack in the Box. So 1 block past Jack in the Box. And then hang left and walk.
Suspect there now, Washington and Main, 227149195.
It says 11 minutes.
Is that a police thing?
Yeah, we're walking.
Scanner.
Niggas ain't going crazy out there, is they?
Everywhere, man. This shit's going crazy, yeah. Everywhere.
62613, incident 481. The 415 group,
Or you know, if you go across the street right there, kid, wait for the 3.
Hey, I know that y'all show duty and shit, but excuse me, I'm sorry. I know that that's your duty and stuff, you guys, but you needed to give it some time. Everything will be fixed.
Wait, what?
Everything will be fixed.
What's up, bro? What you need?
A lot of things already happened.
Can you explain? Like, what do you mean?
Like time travel and all that stuff is real.
Oh, okay. For sure.
I've done it. I believe Donald Trump has also done it.
Damn, dude.
And we're people who are not allowed to be arrested anymore.
Who?
Me and Donald Trump.
Oh, okay.
And Obama.
They can't get arrested?
They can get arrested, but they have to be cited out by the time they get down to the station. They're not allowed to go to county jail.
Okay.
I'll say that one more time. They're not allowed to go to county jail anymore. You have to cite them out right when they're arrested, dude. And that's just to stop to give your opinion to change things. This is Preston James Nolan IV, by the way. I'm 23 years old. My hairline receding, but we got stuff. It's the future now. I'm gonna get a bunch of tattoos. I only got like 5. I did like alchemy tattoos. They all real stuff.
Okay.
I'm a rapper. What's your name, bro?
Observer?
You wanna hit the cigarette?
Oh, I'm good, man. Thank you.
Sure.
Yeah. Straight.
You just like Observer?
Yep.
Observer?
Yep. Everything.
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 Can I observe stuff too?
I mean, sure, man. You're free to observe anything.
And I'll help with it.
And what?
And I'll help with it.
Oh, I don't need help, but you do your thing, man. For sure.
Free reign.
Always do your thing. Yeah.
I will forever.
Yep.
Yeah, headed in now. Point direction.
So they're not live?
It's from San Pedro, Light Honey, and on to 8 Adam King, Young, 840.
Is the bus down, or can we get the bus?
Where are you trying to go? I'm done. I'm just waiting for cops to show. Get this guy off.
Oh, okay. That's what's going on.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
What are y'all up to? Where are you trying to get to?
Just watching around downtown LA.
0007, sure.
Alright, you guys watch this. I'm gonna talk to the police officer right now. It's gonna be about a bunch of crazy
2030,
stuff.
close 68 an hour long.
Hopefully it'll all go good.
Good luck, bro.
I'll try to do with like only questions that they ask, because I'm sure they got a lot of fucking questions.
Yeah, right.
Please watch the way you ask
07,
questions.
sure. You feel right, sure thing. 38, no further PR does not wish contact 182, go ahead. Central traffic, standby 182, go ahead. Last Bill, first of Janata, John, Adam, Edward, correction, John, Adam, Noah, Edward, Tom, Adam, Kilo, Black, Brown, Brown Eyes, 5 foot, 180, short of age, medium build, like complexion, really stuff.
There's a person refusing to get off the bus right now. There's police inside talking to him. 4 officers here, 2 units.
do you think he is to do us like that?
Nobody.
Play that bullshit. A black nigga joke on the radio. Your mama like that. You don't need an apology. You're wrong.
Hey, do you have a portable charger?
Hold on 1 second.
Okay. You were saying green buds. Ooh, green buds? Where they at?
Sorry, bro. I don't actually have one, man.
Sorry, bro. I had to get a little pee.
For sure. Yeah, giving him a ride. Boom. 4:15 on a bus. Prom lesbian, how you doing? It's real news, huh? It's live news, is what it is. You don't have to wait till the 6 o'clock news. You can watch it live. Huh? You don't gotta wait till it's at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Huh?
Can I see this one?
Can you see it?
Yeah. Well, actually, bro, please let me hold this.
No.
Dang,
Don't touch my stuff.
Oh,
Please.
man, it's that bad, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
Please.
man, it's that bad, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't let people touch my stuff.
Yes, that's word.
So, you wanted to hold it. You wanted to hold it pretty bad, but sorry.
I was doing more
Can you see it? Can you see it?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, go for it, man.
Come on, stop.
I mean, I gotta go.
Damn, I got to read it. What's the last one say? Yeah, what's the deal, y'all? Shit, bro, we all out, bro.
What up, man?
This guy wants to read it, but he was saying some like crazy shit earlier. You had to put in some work. Damn. He was, man. He was right there.
You like the comments, dude?
Yeah, he likes seeing what you guys are saying.